Right now I am moving to break even. I'm in this right now. We'll see how it goes. At the start of your journey, it can be mechanical, but then at some point you have to let your edge play out. How I manage my trade is how I manage my trade. Like, I can't let emotions frustrate me in the sense, so. Always nice to connect with a fellow female trader. Where are we?
We're in Manchester.
We're in Manchester.
Welcome aboard the Southwestern Railway service to London Waterloo.
Thought that I would be a bit at peace with you. Yet you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now.
You short, same?
Yes.
Lovely. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, so good. Currently in London, doing a bit of co-working, and it's a great day to have a great day. Currently in two positions in the market, in EU shorts and dollar Swiss longs. So it'll be fun to track that while being in London, just see how the trade goes. And we're gonna go to a co-working spot literally in a bit. So October's going well. No more travels for me for a while, so I'm looking forward to that and just continuing to get everything I need to get done.
Of the time when you actually won that?
Little babies. Heading to co-working cafe. EU shorts still looking very, very lethargic coming into New York Open. Alright, here is the update. EU is coming to the downside. I did have reduced risk. See if we take the low that was formed. And then dollar Swiss, again, just slowly making its way higher. This was just like an alternative, not solution, scenario. We're here on the daily, and you can see price has just completely reacted off of taking buy side, which then caused a shift to the downside, pretty much creating this internal sort of substructure that you can see as price has just been making lower lows, lower highs, breaking structure here, targeting each of these sell side liquidity levels, with the main target then being over here. So anticipating for price to draw to that. We do have the awareness that this is also a much bigger daily range, so in a sense either where the price will go now or draw to it, we don't know, but on the lower time frames I'll be looking for opportunity shorts to continue targeting this daily drawn liquidity. On the M5 I also had sort of this pause area here. I liked how I saw price coming back to it quite corrective, so for me I'm just looking for a big strong push to the downside. We've just landed. This was our train. We're literally here for like 8 hours. Get coffee, which is like so important right now. I need it. Low-key dying.
Yeah, I need another one as well.
Cheers. No trading. It's Friday. Everything looks dead. I've been in 5 positions this week so far, and I know you guys can't hear me, so never mind. What? We are out here on the floor like peasants. No, I'm joking. This is what we got. Burger. Show them yours.
It's like 4 patties.
Crazy work. I can't be doing this. The reason why I'm fat, because of this girl. Double patty smash burger.
Grab, right? I ate it so quick. That's what happens when I like food. I'll go for round 2.
Not good.
I just don't like being full, you know.
Where are we?
In Manchester.
We're in Manchester. Oh my days, guys. I am such a silly sausage. First of all, good morning. Cheers. Cheeky little coffee. I've been sat here for the past 20 minutes doing my ASR, making sure I get it done, and I was like, oh my days, I need to get the camera, literally update you with all these awesome findings that I'm finding out. And something that I've noticed, because I've just been going over a couple trades I took last week, dollar Swiss, taking longs. It's never really been on the top of my mind, but making sure TP aligns with session liquidity is just as important as, let's say, whether it's going to be on a certain time frame. Like structure, but then also session, which also kind of is the same thing. For example, if you have an internal high that was formed, that could also then align with the fact that that is London. So time and price basically, but it's been like something more in the back of my mind, or let's say a confluence thing. Because let's say I'm on M2, I could take an internal high that's not so much session based, but if I go on M5 or M15, it's very clear that there'll be a London high for me to actually extend my TP to target that. And most of the time it will run to session liquidity. Here we go. So this is kind of what I was saying. I targeted that blip in price to the left, which was more than 2%, but still strong instincts that price would definitely reach it. And then I kind of just share that this ended up happening actually. Lol, price ran up. In hindsight, obviously, how I manage my trade is how I manage my trade. Like, I can't let emotions frustrate me in the sense. So I'm starting to see a pattern or importance on targeting session liquidity, such as London highs if all signs lead to upside. Just thought I'd share that. It's a gloomy day today, but you know, honestly, my spirits are so high. Like, I came from Manchester yesterday, so feeling very pumped, very excited to be alive and to do what I'm doing. Hello! Hi! Hi everyone! Alrighty, okay. Saturday, bit of everything kind of day. It really depends on how you choose to optimize life, whether you're gonna optimize for business growth, family growth, self-growth, relationships. You seriously can't judge other people on how they want to live their life, because they might be optimizing it for something different. Everyone optimizes life differently. The question is, do you know what you are going to optimize your life for? I know what mine is, so therefore I live a certain way, I spend my time a certain way. Hello, you are currently in my wardrobe. I've just come back from a haircut, got a manicure, got rid of my gel nails, so feeling quite naked, but I've been in two positions so far. I was like, when I was out, I was like, oh my days, I should have brought my camera, I should have filmed, blah, blah, blah. But I'm gonna tell you now, I took an EU short, 2%, cheeky 2%, and then, oh my days, the entry is coming up soon. And I also took dollar Swiss longs for break even, but I'm actually gonna re-enter literally right now. So let's do that now. I'm entering at 79505. So there was a cheeky sweep. We swept London lows. I might actually have to do a market order. I'm looking at my laptop right now. It's actually going into entry right now. I'm gonna have to, market order it. Let me show you right now what it is. This was my first entry, and as price pushed up, failed to take it even higher. I could have trailed here. I mean, we're on the 2 minutes, a bit too zoomed in for me. I took a break even. You can see it would have taken me out anyways as we started to take, sorry, not London lows, sort of this bit of price action. London lows is all the way here, oh my days. We swept this low, which then ended up fueling a move to the upside. So I'm thinking if we could take a continuation entry. What I like about this, if I just hide this so it's not so messy, what I love about this is we've just paused up here. So my thinking is, after we've taken the sweep, pushed up, could we take this entry, golden ratio, ICTs, OTE? So yeah, I'm in this right now. We'll see how it goes. I took EU as well for this 2% short. You guys can just see how it has been pushing to the downside. You can see every single time highs are being respected. So every single time price is just pushing to the downside. I didn't get involved in any of the other trades here. I missed that first entry up here, but then we got another break, this one, that allowed me to set my entry. We came back up into this OB level. Sorry, I hope the camera's taking this. Came back into this OB level, into drawdown a little bit, protected this high, all great signs, to then draw to this low. Price trickled around, came back to some sort of value, again lower. Alright, I don't know how good the lighting is or the audio. Currently found ourselves a little secret spot here in Canary Wharf. Of all the places you'd think that it would be so easy to find a place to work in Canary Wharf, but hey ho, internet looks good. Don't want to be a signal service out here, but I'm currently in EU shorts and currently in dollar Swiss longs. We're going to discuss it in a bit. But yeah, looking for longs, dollar Swiss, EU shorts. I'm actually having I am actually having the best months so far with trading. Not just in terms of like external, in terms of like percentages and all that good stuff, but in terms of flow and just understanding the market, the root of the market, the excitement in the market, the amount of trades that I've been taking. I think just feeling very adaptable, very in flow with the markets right now. So it's a good place to be. Yeah, just been very active with trading so far. The lighting is actually not the best. So the reason why I love dollar Swiss so much right now is because we've paused, so that's going to act as, you know, liquidity to target with respect of this area. So this would be the ideal play. Getting the headphones out means deep work is about to start. Got an alert. I mean, this is where we're at. We're about to hit TP soon. Alright, so if anything, I'm going to move my stop loss to here. Can you guys see? Just looking for shorts. That price could just continue to staircase to the downside. So looking for these opportunities short, just riding that and not calling any bottoms, etc, etc. Just your standard, you know, price comes into an area of value, respects it. You can call this London high, break structure. You have an OB area value over here to take your entry. Was he looking at dollar Swiss longs?
Other than shorts.
Fair.
But obviously only if we respect the area that we're close to.
Yeah, I think it's because you're looking at it on a larger time frame. So I'm looking at it in terms of execution based. So of course if you're going on the 1 hour, yeah, shorts. But then if you start looking on M5, M15 where you actually want to enter,
Yes.
there's a little bit of opportunity there.
Yes.
That makes sense, like
You
a
mean
quick
up
little
to
2%.
The next AOI area.
No, not the same AOI. But look at entry model, M15, M5. With dollar Swiss being dollar Swiss, I'm going to move to break even, which is kind of how I managed the trade from yesterday, where I got out for break even, then I took a 2%er. So I'm going to move to break even. Whatever happens, happens. EU, I should be out now. Right now I am moving to break even, and EU is still taking its time. I think I'm at 15 pips for TP. 2%er. Dollar Swiss is on the rise. 1 hour, let's see. Again, like I said, this is a pivotal moment, so I think playing off of that lower time frame is going to be good. This dollar Swiss to be at 2% makes so much more sense just because of the area we're in. So I'm happy with that. Look, you're so valid. Absolutely, I'm looking for shorts as well. But I'm going to take the longs I'm going to take the longs towards the short. Oh man, we're just talking about because I hit TP on EU and I'm risk-free on dollar Swiss. Oh, he took the same EU short, lovely.
Of course he did.
Of course he did.
Asia Unite.
You have such a good read on narrative, but you need to look on that lower time frame and understand the daily profile. Because you're seeing what I'm seeing, but like you're like 2 steps ahead, which is fine for forecast and for awareness. But it makes you become avoidant in taking a now trade. You're an executor, you're a trader, you're not a forecaster or an analyzer right now. You know what, I even played it safe, I even covered this low. I could have just covered this low. You best believe that if I take out that internal high and I'm looking on lower time frame, I'm going to secure either profit or break even. I'm right now as of now, I am break even. Alrighty, food. We went for Farmer J's. Got out for break even on dollar Swiss. But yeah, we're gonna eat now. I'm so hungry. I got the chicken field tray. Then we're gonna go meet a follower who I've been speaking to on Instagram. So gave me a recommendation of where to go here. So gonna go meet her. Always nice to connect with a fellow female trader. So that should be good. Very excited to eat. Absolutely starving. What else you gotta say for yourself?
We gon' eat.
We go eat. We go eat. In and out the market, as I always say. This is what we do here at LifeClub.
Wait, it's not even the dead cat one. It's the thing, isn't
Dead cat makes it so much easier though if you had dead cat. It's just... Yeah, like I keep saying, like, it's just been such an amazing week for trading, this month for trading. Just when you feel more inflow, internally, externally, with the markets, out of the markets, best feeling ever. I was actually telling Reha, like, at the start of your journey, it can be mechanical. But then at some point, you have to let your edge play out. You have to trust yourself. And that comes with a level of self-growth, self-awareness, and just learning to trust yourself. What was that, this meme that I shared with LifeClub yesterday, or on Instagram as well? It was like, to be ballin', B-A-L-L-I-N, you gotta be all in. And that means, like, you know, trusting yourself, believing yourself, backing yourself. That's 24/7, non-stop. So all of that plays a role. Where are you?
I wanted to boot you.
What?
I wanted to boot your
Why?
ass.
Did you hear that? That's so abuse! Everyone come at this guy for wanting to boot me apparently in the... My mom's gonna be watching
my
this.
goodness, no.
Like, who is this man?
No.
In the city. Gotta go. Gotta go. We're in the city. Remember I used to drive a Yukon? We're trying to find Dana. She's lost. Alright, so I think I'm gonna leave the video here. Feels like a little bit of a longer video. Vlog style, same things as usual. Trading, community, work, fun, life, real stuff. Documenting, taking you along with me. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate you for tagging along the journey. And yeah, just stopping by to watch. If you comment, you know, pretty much always see your comments, read every single one of them. In terms of today's trading, I did miss a cheeky EU short, which I'll share with you guys real quick. You can't catch them all. There's some trades that I won't take. Can't take every single trade, of course, but that's okay. I know the edge still plays out in my favor. And I'll see you guys next week. Take care. God bless.